Hi everyone, Dr. David Kulla with Synergy Wellness in New York City. Today I had a great question about hiatal hernia and the exercises. So we have a couple videos with exercises for hiatal hernia. And someone asked me, when they do the exercises, they feel better. First of all, you're lucky, okay? The exercises don't fix the hiatal hernia, which I've explained in several videos. The exercises tighten up the diaphragm, okay, and help work on your posture so that you can mitigate the risks of that hiatal hernia coming back, the acid reflux coming back, the GERD, all of that, all your symptoms coming back. So again, the exercises are not meant to correct the hiatal hernia itself, but they're more meant to mitigate the symptoms from returning and coming back. Now, somebody asked me, is it permanent? Well, I mean, exercises, I don't really know what they meant by that. I mean, exercises are only as permanent as your frequency of doing them, I guess. But the stomach goes up and down, and I think that's what you were asking me. When you get in stressful moments and the stomach muscles tighten up, that stomach tends to go back up to its origin, okay? And that can create problems. If you're constipated and sitting on the toilet for an hour for a whole weekend or something, that can certainly aggravate it. If you have scoliosis, that can cause it to reoccur. Even somebody without scoliosis, a perfectly straight spine, good posture, but has a weakness in the diaphragm and just gets acid reflux and GERD, even for them, the stomach can slide back up. And that's why I've created a self-help device called the Reflux Shield. And you'll be able to check out our website. It'll be up soon. It's not up yet. And that's refluxshield.com. And you'll be able to pre-order or order our self-help device to lessen or lower the symptoms of acid reflux and GERD. Hope that helps answer your questions. Thanks for tuning in.
Thank you guys so much. If you got anything from this video, or even if you just like this view of the Empire State Building and the Chrysler Building, give me a like and don't forget to subscribe. Appreciate you guys.